In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Webflow. This is a handy skill that can enhance user experience by making images interactive. So let's dive right in. To start, you need to add two key elements to your Webflow design: an image and a link block. In my setup, I've already placed an image inside a div block. If you're following along, be sure that your image is also within a div block, creating a designated space for it on your web page. Now, our next move is to incorporate the link block. You'll want to focus on the left panel of the Webflow interface. There's a plus icon that allows you to add elements to your design. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of options. From this list, find the link block element. Click and drag this link block into the div block that contains your image. This step is crucial as it integrates the link block and image into a single interactive element. With the link block in place, the next step is positioning your image correctly. You'll need to click and drag the image into the link block so that it becomes a child of the link block. This configuration ensures that when someone clicks on the image, the action will trigger the link, rather than just interacting with the image itself. To confirm that your image is properly housed within the link block, check the structure in the left panel. If the image is nested under the link block, then you're good to go. Now, let's make that image link to an actual URL. Click on the link block to select it, and then focus your attention on the settings panel on the right side of the interface. Here, you'll find an option to set a URL for the link block. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll use a simple URL, www.google.com. Type in your desired web address, and remember, this URL should be relevant to what you're showcasing or linking through your image. Once you've set your URL, it's time to bring your creation to life and see it in action. Publish your site, and when it's live, click on your image to test if it directs you to the intended destination. If everything has been set up correctly, this should work seamlessly. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. You have successfully learned how to add a link to an image in Webflow. This simple technique can make your website more interactive and engaging, offering an improved user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more Webflow tips and tricks.